Hi everybody, and welcome to our very first unboxing video. We were pleasantly surprised to discover on our front porch today 2 packages from the granddaddy of them all, Estes rockets. This one says open me first, so we're gonna unbox this and let everyone see what we got in the mail. I think this is just so we open this box first. It's just a packing list. Oh, this says, welcome to our affiliate team. We are excited to have you on board. We thought these could be some fun unboxing videos. Thanks, Tag and the Estes team. Fantastic. Well, let's see what Tag sent us. I love the packing tape. It's got the Estes logo. It's got a rocket on there. That looks like a rocket on a stand almost. A couple different types of rockets. That one's got flames coming out. Well, they all got flames coming out of them. That means they're being launched. They're flying through the sky just like rockets should do. Let's see what we got. Some packing material. That can go to the floor. Oh, we got some stickers. We put these on our range box. So we don't have these stickers. So these will be great to put on the box. I like that one with the Alpha. That's got to be one of the oldest models. That thing, I know that they've sold millions of those. So very cool. We'll put those on our range box. We got a thank you from KW, I think. Thank you very much for packing this. Definitely with love and attention. Look how well packed that is. If you order something from Estes, your rockets are not going to get damaged in transit. We've got So Long, the highest flying Estes model rocket ever. Wow, goes to 3,600 feet, and that's if you use F motors. You need an F0, and then another one with a delay. So the 0 will go in the bottom section, and rather than smoking and ejecting, it just fires flame up into the next motor, which will be right here, and then we'll ignite that and send that one as well. You could just fly the main part, looks like on an E16, an F15. You can do the 2-stage on an E16s or F15s. This is going to be spectacular. Well, that is a huge nose cone. That's going to be awesome. It's got multiple body tubes. Got the balsa fins, decal sheets in there. Let's see. Looks like the parachute, shock cord. This is going to be fun to assemble. This one is listed as an advanced build. It says 18 and up. If you're younger, I'm sure with some assistance from a parent or grandparent, I'm sure you could get this put together quite easily. This is going to be a fun one to build. This will be even better to launch. This is definitely higher than what our normal park will allow, so we will take this out to where our club launches. It's out in the middle of nowhere in the desert, and we'll fly it there, and it can go as high as it wants. Awesome. Thank you so much. Fantastic. Let's see what's in box number 2 here. This one's quite a bit larger and quite a bit heavier. Oh, I can already see through the packaging what's in this one. Let's see if I can get this out. I'm going to have to give it a shimmy and a shake. In fact, I may have to cut it out of this box. This is in here really good. Let's do that. Let's give this box a little cut on the corner here. Rid of the box. Well, we know that logo, don't we? This thing is huge. Guys, this is like Christmas for me. This is exciting. That is such a cool design on the box. The Falcon 9 Crew Dragon, a 1/100th scale. This is awesome. So we have actually been able to watch one of these rockets launch from Kennedy Space Center. I'll go ahead and put some footage in here of that. There it is. That's so cool. The sound will hit us in a minute.
Oh my God.
Here comes the sound. Oh, that's awesome. Long time ago, before they were actually flying this regularly, I was out at Kennedy and I saw one of these as a prototype laying on its side, and it looked spectacular then, and they're so much more amazing now. And this one even has the Crew Dragon. This launches people up into the International Space Station. This is going to be cool. So you've got 5 days of free flight with 4 crew members, 210 days docked to the ISS. Just the Crew Dragon weighs 21,000 pounds. Can't imagine how much it was to ship this. The payload capacity is 550 kilos. The rocket itself, payload to low Earth orbit, it can do 22,800 kilos, 50,000 pounds. Payload to Mars can do 4,000 kilos. It's got the 9 Merlin engines. It uses LOX, the liquid oxygen, and chilled RP1. That's like the rocket fuel, the kerosene. This is spectacular. So skill level on this is beginner. If I'm not mistaken, this is pre-assembled. So recovery parachute. Oh, a C engine, so 18 millimeter engines, a C6-3 engine. You probably want the 3 for sure, because this thing's going to be probably a little heavier than most rockets on a C. And like when we've flown the Mercury Redstone or the Saturn 1B, we also did a 3-second delay, just because it's so heavy. You want it to eject at apogee, and if you put a C6-5, it's going to be 2 seconds beyond apogee, and there's a chance you could have a mishap with that rocket. So they recommend a C5-3 or a C6-3. I think that sounds good. Let's open this up and take a look. I want to see what's in here. This is spectacular. So this is a sleeve. The box looks just like the sleeve. See if I can open this ever so carefully, at least get it started. It's like this is an amazing box. The feel of the box is amazing. I'm going to keep the box for sure. This is going to be a display rocket for us. We have a little rocket garden with our Mercury Redstone and Saturn 1B. This will definitely go in the rocket garden. Oh, look at that. That is spectacular. Got your Merlin engines down here at the bottom. I'm pretty sure that these landing legs don't pop out. I'm not going to try and force them out. So this is all plastic. It's got all the decals, amazing detail like the grid fins. It's already got the shock cord attached. You'll have to put the parachute on, put in a motor, some wadding, and I think you're ready to go. This is outstanding. It's surprisingly, for as heavy as the box is, this is actually a pretty lightweight motor. This is going to be a lot of fun. Let's see what else we've got in here. So this just holds it up, but this has got to have your parachute, and I believe there's a display stand. So, oh, clear fins. So I believe this is so that it can fly, because otherwise this does not have fins to stabilize the model. So I think you'll take off those Merlin engines, and then these fins will go on. Here's your motor, 18mm motor, and then you can fly. And then when you're done, you can take this off, put the engines back on, and it's ready for display. And here's the display base. Like there's a little rod in there. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to fly this. Today's pretty windy. I'm not sure when we're going to get this out there. One thing I know for sure, I do not want to fly this in the wind. I don't want to damage this. This is an amazing display rocket, but it is going to fly. I guarantee that. We always fly our rockets. Sometimes they only fly once, but we always fly them. You know, I should look at the instructions before I just start putting things together here. Yeah, see, look at that. I already did it wrong. So this rod goes through here. There we go. And then the motors just twist out. Twist it clockwise and the motors come out. Put the motors on there. Put the rod into this little display base. Just like that. And then put the rocket on here. Crew Dragon was caught up there. Right there. And that's in. Put the shock cord back in. Oh, that is amazing. That is awesome. That's going to go right on our display until we decide it's time to launch it, which will be the first day without a lot of wind out there. All we'll do is we'll take it off of the stand, twist out the motors, take the fins, twist the fins on, and we're ready. We just put in a motor, we'll attach the parachute, put in some wadding. Let's see how much wadding this recommends. So they're saying 6 to 7 squares of wadding. Fold up the chute, pop it in, slide the motor into the engine mount. So you're going to put the motor in first. So the fins are going to be like a retainer. So the motor goes in first. Yeah, then that's going to hold the motor in just like that. Put in an igniter. Get you a launch pad. This looks like it's a 1/8 inch launch rail. Guys, we're going to have some serious fun with this. Yeah, this is going to be outstanding. If you are a fan of the SpaceX rockets. If you're a fan of Estes, if you're a fan of high quality models that fly, you cannot go wrong with this kit. I want to thank Tag and everybody at Estes for sending us this, as well as the So Long. We're going to put this on the build pile right away. We're going to get this built so we can take it out to our club field, which is seriously, like, legitimately in the middle of the desert. As long as there's no fire hazard, we're going to launch it. This one we could fly at our park. This is only going to go about 300 feet high. This is an absolute park flyer, and guys, we're going to have so much fun. Thank you for watching this unboxing video. Thank you so much, Estes. If any of you would like to purchase the So Long or the SpaceX rocket, I've got an affiliate link. I'm going to put it in the description. Be sure to use that link. Not only does it support the channel, but it shows Estes that we are a valued affiliate for them, that this is a place where people can come to get information on the Estes kits, to see what comes in the box, how they launch. Fantastic. Thank you.